Welcome to the Learning Academy. Today we'll be looking at vertebrates. Now, vertebrates is one group that living things have been categorized into. Let's look at some of the main features of some vertebrates. Let's look at fishes. Fishes are mostly egg layers and they live in water. They also have fins with slimy scales and gills. Let's look at amphibians. Amphibians are egg layers that spend the early part of their lives in water. They also spend their adult lives on land. Let's look at reptiles. Reptiles are egg layers that usually live on land and have dry, scaly skin. Some reptiles have no legs, while others have legs. Let's look at birds. Birds are egg layers whose bodies are covered with feathers. Most birds can fly. And we have another group, mammals. Mammals are hairy animals who give birth and feed their babies with milk from their mother's breasts. Let's look at characteristics of living and non-living things. Non-living things do not need air nor oxygen because they do not breathe or respire. Non-living things do not grow nor change. Non-living things do not eat, nor they do not move by themselves. They do not reproduce. Living things cannot move by themselves because they have no life. Two differences between living and non-living things are: 1. Non-living things have 7 characteristics, while non-living things exist in 3 forms. The 3 forms of non-living things are solid, liquid, and gas. The 7 characteristics of living things are: 1. They feed. 2. They excrete. 3. They grow. 4. They change. 5. They reproduce. And 6. They respond or react to stimuli in their environment. And also in 7, they respire or breathe in oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. Living things don't excrete or pass out waste, while living things excrete and pass out waste. Living things respire and breathe and use oxygen. Living things have a feature of a person or a thing. Living things reproduce, as in they produce offspring. Living things also respond to stimuli in their environment. This means they act or behave in response because something has changed in the environment, whether it is temperature in terms of heat, or basically the coldness of the environment, or maybe something has changed in terms of movement in the environment. Living things have different characteristics from non-living things. Examples of living things include plants and animals. Whilst plants cannot move around from place to place, they move various parts of the plants. They move through growth movements, and also they react to things in their environment. They react to stimuli. They react to sunshine. They grow towards sunshine because plants need to create food through the process of photosynthesis. And through the process of photosynthesis, they utilize the sun's energy to create food. Plants are basically food factories. Animals also react to their environment and they make sounds. They also grow and change and reproduce. Let's look at antonyms. The antonym for living would be non-living. Similarly, the antonym for exhale would be inhale. Be noted that all living things have a definite lifespan. This means they have a lifetime, and this lifetime ends after they have carried out all of their activities. Most animals or living things die. Let's give you an example. An example is of a cow that started out as a calf and would be feeding in the pasture and grass. Eventually the cow grows and then the cow reproduces and the farmer may choose to sell the cow, and then the cow is butchered and becomes beef. Now the cow is no longer living because the cow is now in an inanimate form or a non-living form in a can, being sold as beef. Now there are many ways to tell if an organism is alive. Organisms are considered to be alive if they feed, move, react, reproduce, respond, excrete, feed, and grow. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments down below in regards to living and non-living organisms. Thanks for watching.